There's a point in wealth building where money stops feeling like a struggle and starts feeling automatic. It doesn't mean you're set for life or that you'll never think about money again. But it does mean the constant stress and chasing finally ease up. At this point, your money is working harder than you are. And the interesting thing is, it's not as high of a number as most people think. For most people, building wealth feels like pushing a heavy rock uphill. Every dollar saved feels slow. Investments don't seem to move the needle. You're working hard, but progress feels invisible. That's why so many people give up too soon. But once you cross a certain level of net worth, the rock doesn't just stop rolling back. It starts rolling forward on its own. That's when wealth feels automatic. The question is, where is that point? What's the net worth level where your money shifts from survival to growth? Let's break it down. When your net worth is under $50,000, most of your financial energy goes toward covering expenses and paying off debt. Every bill feels heavy. Saving is possible, but it often means sacrifice. Your money isn't compounding yet, and any small emergency can wipe out your progress. At this stage, the focus is on stability, building an emergency fund, getting rid of high-interest debt, and just getting to the point where money doesn't disappear as fast as it comes in. Between $50,000 and $100,000, something starts to change. With even modest investing, you can start seeing results from compounding. Your investments might generate a few $1,000s a year without you lifting a finger. That may not sound like much, but it's a huge psychological shift. For the first time, your money is earning money. You've moved from just relying on your paycheck to having a second, silent income source. The